Yep.
Yep.
Hiya, I'm the Nottingham lass and today we are at Newstead Abbey.
No, we're not.
Hiya, I'm the Nottingham lass.
We're at Attenborough.
Hiya, oh god, his face can't keep up. Hiya, I'm the Nottingham lass and today we are at Attenborough Nature Reserve. Nice horses in the background as you can see. And yeah, we're just having a little stroll around. It's very, very cold. Let's go!
There you go.
You don't need a toilet, do you?
Probably. Sauce.
Oh, God's sake. Chop your hand off. They're just really, really surreal, aren't they? They're so surreal. I didn't choose a single life chose me. Yeah.
Sad seat for a sad singleton. Or a nice seat for someone who just wants to be f***ing alone. What's the matter, Lucy?
There's something in my shoe. I can't get it out, people watching it. There we go. Hello.
And I don't get what.
Chop your hands off the spiky fences.
I'm looking at birds and I see a few more birds. More birds. Lots of birds.
I don't understand it at all.
Go on then, Deb. Walk in. After you. So one time, I'll tell you a quick story while we're here enjoying this beautiful, beautiful view of the boats. One time I was here with some Chinese students that we had living at our house for a few days. They gave me a nice little bracelet and I chucked it into the river by accident. I was skimming rocks and I just skimmed a rock and it flew right off my hand with the rock and never saw that bracelet again. It's quite a sad little story there. I'm very, very cold.
Should we go back to the cafe?
Got a coffee and a cake. It's £12.50. Come on then.
Do you know what?
What?
I'm not feeling the love today.
Well, keep it rolling.
Huh?
If you enjoyed this video, comment, like, share, and if you want to see more of this beautiful face, the links are below. Also, please, please, please subscribe. Bye.
Cafe.
Cafe.
Come
Hot
on,
chocolate.
we've walked far enough.